quick little update on the CNC Plasma Table build. Like most projects, things have changed a little. So in the last video where I got the linear rails all mounted up, I showed you guys my kind of concept I've been working on in CAD, what I want to 3D print, kind of how I want this thing to work. Well, like I said, that's changed a little bit. Let me bring you in and I'll kind of show you what's changed. Right, the original idea for the X-axis gantry was going to be something like this. Now, like I said, this is just a mock-up, but it was going to be a flat top like this, where the extruded aluminum X-axis, which I got right here, would just kind of sit on top like that. I had an idea for a bracket that would bolt all this together. It was actually going to be kind of between the bearings like that on a flat top like that. And while I think it would work because there's not a whole lot of pressure on this as it moves back and forth, as the whole gantry kind of slides, there's not a whole lot of forces on this, but I didn't want to rely on a bracket bolted to the top of a gantry like this with just a threaded insert and some plastic. So I got a new idea. And what that idea is, let me make some room here, take that apart. I've printed this out in PLA as a mock-up, is this. So now this, we gotta get room in here to get it all together. So now I got the 4 bearings. This is all gonna ride on like that. Now 4 bearings might be overkill for something like this, but it's what I came up with. But now there's this notch right here. And what this notch is now gonna allow is this X-axis will now, gotta get that bolt out of the way, will kind of nest right down inside there, just like that. Now, that notch is going to help prevent this X-axis from racking it all back and forth, but it's also the bracket that's going to bolt this in place, which is going to go in these holes here, doesn't really do anything except hold this in place. It's not supporting this at all. All the support is done on the gantry itself in this notch. And that's just going to make for a nice, stable X-axis. You can also see that based on, or in comparison to the original CAD, when this was just kind of like a solid block, where this sat on top, I added these notches here. What I want is this gantry to be a mirror image on either side. So I don't have to have 2 different files, one for left, one for right. There's just one gantry file, print it twice, and you're done. But this here is for the drag chain where all the cables are going to ride. I've got a bracket mocked up that'll bolt basically here or here, depending on where this goes, that's going to support the drag chain. So all the wiring will come up in here. Let me see if I can find my drag chain and kind of lay it on here. It's kind of big and bulky, but let me show you. So like I said, I've got a bracket drawn up in CAD, but this is going to bolt there, basically, kind of like right there. And that's going to be the channel for all the cabling. There we go. Maybe you can see that a little bit better, get a better idea. And the bracket's going to come out. It's going to support this whole thing. But now the wires can come out here and kind of ramp up. It's got all this clearance, and they'll be able to go into another drag chain that's going to go on the X-axis here, and it should hopefully allow the wiring to come up, clearance, and go that way for the ones that need to. The other ones will come down to the motor. So that's what these notches are for. So, and like I said, this gantry piece, this is just a prototype. This is printed in PLA, 10% infill. You can see it's kind of got a little beat up. I had to make some other modifications. I didn't make the holes large enough for the bolt heads. All the bolt holes for the bolts that hold the gantry to the bearings, all those bolt holes will be recessed and sit flush. I did find out these holes weren't quite big enough, so I had to make some modifications to this file. So like I said, this is going to actually be replaced with this right here. This is printed out of PETG. I've made all the modifications where I've enlarged the bolt hole, the head clearance, and I also enlarged this notch because I didn't make this notch on the prototype large enough to clearance for this bolt head right that'll go in right there. So a few other modifications went into this piece, but that is going to be the final, hopefully the final piece or the final revision of my X-axis. So yeah, that's going to be kind of the final, hopefully the final revisions of the gantry. Next, I want to work on the bracket that's going to kind of secure the X-axis to the gantry. I've got that worked up in CAD. I'm also going to work on finalizing the motor mount and the mount for the rollers for the belt. I also got to work on redoing the end pieces for the belt also, because originally on the last design my belt was mounted vertical. Now it's going to be mounted horizontally. So I'm going to work on 3D printing some end pieces for that also. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. See you on the next one.